In today's video, you will learn how to connect GetResponse to WordPress using FuseWP. So we'll start off here by getting our GetResponse API key. And to do so, we'll go to our tool menu at the top. We'll go to Integrations and API. We'll click on API and then Generate API Key. Let's name the API key FuseWP. Click Generate. Then we'll copy our API key. Once it's copied, we can close this and go to WordPress. We'll hover over FuseWP, then click on Settings. And in Settings, we're going to scroll down until we find GetResponse. We'll click on Configure, and we'll paste the API key that we copied here. If you have a Max account, you'll need to check this box. We're going to click on Save Changes since we don't. All right, so moving on, we're going to go ahead and create a sync rule to test our integration. So on the left, we'll go to User Sync, and we'll go ahead and add a new sync rule. Here we'll choose a source, that will be user roles. Next, we'll add a destination. Our user role will be subscriber, and the integration will be GetResponse. Next, we'll select a list. And if you want to, you can select a tag as well. Next, we have custom fields. So first name is being mapped as text to the first name field in GetResponse. And the same is being done for last name. If you want, you can also map another field. And once you're done with your configuration, click on Save. Once our configuration is saved, I can go ahead and test it out. Here's a registration form, and I'm going to go ahead and add this user. So once we've added the user and we see our success message, we can now go to GetResponse to see if that information was captured. So we'll go to Contacts. Here we have a list. Right now it has one contact, but we can just keep on refreshing until we can see all of our contacts. So here we can see the user we added. Okay, now we're going to take a look at a different example where we are going to subscribe users to a newsletter. Again, we'll go to User Sync, and we'll add a new sync rule. This time our source will be WP Forms, and our source item will be the newsletter sign-up form. We'll add a destination, and we'll choose an event, which will be after form submission. Our integration again is going to be GetResponse. And once again, we'll choose a list. We'll also skip adding a tag and we'll move on to custom fields. This time we'll need to map our fields manually. So let's start with the email address. We'll map first name and then last name. We'll save our changes once we're done. And then we'll jump to our newsletter sign up form and fill out some random lead information. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on Submit. And back in GetResponse, I'm going to refresh this page as many times as I need to in order to see our contact. It could take a few seconds, but here it is. Okay, so this is how you connect GetResponse to WordPress using FuseWP. Thank you for watching and see you next time.